Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Angie Gonzalez here, and today I've got a special guest, my daughter Michaelah. Today, y'all, we are diving into the festive spirit, and we're doing something really fun and heartwarming. We're making homemade candles to gift our family for Christmas. So join us as we stir, pour, and create these little lights of joy. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more. Everybody, welcome to Candle Making with Angie and Michaelah. So, we are making candles for our loved ones for Christmas. It's something we've always wanted to do, but now we actually have a reason to do it. Also, but we are doing something good for the planet. We are actually recycling these, what do you call these, mason jars?
They're jars.
They were jars. They were jars.
They were jars.
They were jars. They were jars. They were jars.
Jars with origins.
Jars with origins from the earth. Okay. The kit that we got came with these little small containers here. So we are actually going to do our test candle using these. And so we've got several materials to work with. The kit includes essential oils. So we have rose, lemon, jasmine, lavender, my favorite, peppermint, and how do you say that, my yin yang?
Good question.
Ylang ylang. Ylang ylang. It's spelled Y-L-A-N-G. Y-L-A-N-G. So those are our essential oils. The kit also came with these little cute tags. Isn't this how they do on YouTube? Like this? Came with the cute tags.
Lang lang. Long
lang? Lang lang. But we are not going to be using these for these.
Lang lang.
Lang lang. Okay. So we have different sizes there that we're going to do. These are like, I think these are 8 ounces.
I believe so.
Then there's 6 ounces, and then there's 4 ounces.
This one's got some residue on it.
Okay. So yeah, so this is going to be our little trowel. Then they have these, which are called, what is the official name for these?
The official name is weird because they use both the metal ones and the stick ones.
Right.
Those are center devices.
Center devices.
They're used to keep the wick in the center of the candle.
Yes. Speaking of wicks, we have 2 different size wicks. So these wicks, obviously,
You probably can't use those for these candles.
no, these are for these test ones that we're doing, the little short ones. But then these ones, which you can see those, are for the much taller candles. So, and I actually ordered some more. So we have, this is the wax that comes in the kit, the soy wax. And then I actually ordered
A good amount more.
some extra wax. We didn't want to run out.
Mm-hmm.
And then the
Thermometer.
thermometer.
What are these shears for?
It includes this really cool spoon for stirring
okay.
and mixing your oils with your wax and your dyes. Speaking of dyes, it comes with this little bag of dyes. Bridget Green. Oh, bright green. I was gonna say, who the heck is Bridget? Shout out to Bridget for having her own green. Big red.
Big red.
Big red.
Not to be confused with small red, of course.
Bright yellow. Fresh red. Oh, so we got different kind of reds. We have bright red, fresh red, big red. Got a lot of reds going on here. We are definitely going to be experimenting today. We've got bright green, orange,
Normal orange.
lemon yellow, coffee color,
Did we get bright yellow? Not
Pink.
yellow.
we've got light green, royal blue, we got violet, we even have black, and grape violet. So we've got a lot of colors to work with here. We'll use these for experimenting so that we can kind of perfect our method and experiment with the oils and the colors. And, oh, I forgot to mention, we have potpourri. Now, this did not come with the kit. I just had potpourri here at home. And we're going to break some of this stuff up and sprinkle it on top of the candles before they melt completely.
There's also this hot plate in this furnace and this, so we don't ruin this anymore. Came with the kit also.
Yes. Good job. Away for now. So we're going to start off with these here. Does it tell you how much of the wax to put in at a time?
80% of the maximum, which is
like actually solid all the way up to 80%.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
So
all right, we're gonna actually, these are gonna be gifts too, but these are not the ones going to our family. Okay, it's like you can give one. I know. Yeah, so
each
we're gonna actually, these are gonna be gifts too, but these are not the ones going to our family.
Okay.
It's like you can give one.
I know.
Yeah, so
each like I know. Are these each? There's only one of each of these, so
yeah.
I don't want to have like extra of one color dye that we can't use again. Right? Harmony Whisper.
Harmony Whisper. So Harmony Whisper is the name of the candle that we're making.
It doesn't mean anything.
It doesn't mean anything, but it really does. So Harmony Whisper is going to be, we're creating a scent. We're creating our own scent. The scent is called Harmony Whisper. We are actually going to be some scentologists today.
You have other, sorry for pointing these at you. You have other essential oils, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
We
could make another scent using more than just
we
these.
got eucalyptus, we got spearmint. You've got your
I've got peppermint, I've got lavender. We already have these here.
Yeah. So, but yeah, Harmony Whisper is the scent that we are going to create today for our family. And again, we're going to be experimenting with these smaller ones so we get it right. And then
That's very adult.
we have labels that are going to go onto the glass jars. It's going to have a nice, encouraging saying on it, letter. And it's going to say from Angee and Michaelah. So our family can always have us not. We didn't want to do Christmas themed candles because we want these to be candles that they can use all year round. Hey, they might not even want to ever burn it. They may just want to keep it as decor, you know. If it's pretty, I don't know. Candle is decor. So.
Candle is decor.
All right, so moving along. But Michaelah, what are these?
Those are shears. Those are for the wicks.
These are shears?
Yeah.
I thought they were tweezers this whole time.
Look at them. They have blades on them.
I didn't know that. Y'all see that, y'all?
That's why I've been like messing with them.
These are cute.
They are.
Can I cut your hair with
no,
these?
No, you can't cut my hair with this. Thank you.
Oh my gosh! What a cute little invention.
Anyways,
okay.
Before I was interrupted, what I was saying was, since we don't know how much would fill one of these yet, right? And I don't want to waste any wax because each of these are their own colors.
So let's do for these ones, because what we could do is we could work on the scent, and then as far as color, they don't all have to be the same color.
That's true. And also what I thought about is if we have extra, we're not layering these, are we? We could layer like a few if we want to, but that would be, we would need like to keep different colors of wax.
We could layer.
That would take, we would need to like get different things of wax because we can't have all the colored wax in here.
Right.
Do we have?
Or we could do one layer at a time. We just, as long as you got that first wick, get the wick centered, and then you get that first layer. Let's say we go to here, and then, and we didn't even look at like a YouTube video or anything. You would think this thing would come with instructions on how to be creative, but no, they just comes with this cute box. It has like all the different things you can do, which is like add potpourri, add color. But great idea, Michaelah. I like that because here's the thing. Guess what? Think of this. Harmony. A harmony is a blend of elements,
In that
right?
case, we want the colors to at least look good. I just had the idea.
Blend of elements, y'all. How genius is that?
I just had the idea of we can make a solid candle and we could pour the extra into another candle. That could be one layer. We can make another full color candle and pour the extra into that layer, right? That way we're not wasting any.
Well,
Am I making sense?
What if we do this? So, no. Think about it like this. We can figure out the color portion. First of all,
it has to be in order that we make the waxes in, right? Because we have to get rid of the color that's in here, right?
Or we're just gonna let it organically be. Because think about it, whatever's left in there is not gonna be a whole lot. Once you pour out the liquid, you know what I'm saying?
It could just end up being different colors of that.
Yeah.
We've made fair enough.
Yeah.
We'll see how that goes.
Yeah.
Let's not make any browns.
Right, for the coffee and black.
Let's not make any nasty browns.
Yeah, coffee color's cute. I think that would be nice for a layer. I think coffee layer might come out looking something like that with the white, candle of wax. So, y'all, harmony.
Also, actually no, we have one flavor, so never mind. Flavor scent.
Flavor.
We'll figure out the scents in here. We can so and so in there. I don't know.
But I wanted to say that the idea of the Harmony Whisper scent and just the name of the candle, there's going to actually be different colors in here, which is representative of harmony, and then the fusion of different scents coming together also. So this is definitely turning out to be a very organic project for us that we're doing with love, right? This is with love. And so we're ready to get started. And like I said, right now we are in the experimental phase. So I'm just putting the wicks in the candles now, and then I'm gonna put the little stabilizer. I'm supposed to be straightening these out because you can see some of them come a little crooked. And how can you stabilize something that's already crooked? So basically our gifts of love for the season. Lots of thought going into it. Not a lot of money. It was a little bit of an investment, but it was worthy because when you think about how many people you want to send a gift to, some Christmases people don't get anything because people can't afford to buy everybody in their family a gift. But when you are thoughtful, you come up with ideas like making something that everybody can use and appreciate. Because the lights do go out whenever there's a storm, and you always need a candle. Sometimes you might just want to, you may be taking a nice little bath, little self-care Sunday, or you may just be chilling, binge watching TV, and just want a nice aroma to fill your house. And then
I like the jasmine lavender combination.
Ooh. And knowing that your family made these,
Lavender,
a lot of thought.
A little bit of mint,
like the scent, the color scheme, the potpourri, the containers. Then put one on the bottom. See, look at this one.
Oh, I didn't even see that. Okay.
So it technically could go on the bottom as well. Mm-hmm. So they came with these labels that are like, little warning labels. And they're cute. Like what's this color? What do they call it? Chromatic?
It's
it's
iridescent.
Iridescent. Very beautiful. I'm also going to put the stickers. We can start putting stickers on the bottom of these too. These ones, if we have enough. Let me see. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. And how many of these? That other kit didn't come with any type of warnings. Okay,
good luck.
2, so 10. Oh, we have enough. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So we have enough stickers. Hey, did we do all of these? We did all of these?
Yeah.
Teamwork. Ow. So Michaelah is going to tell her roommates that her mom is obnoxious and
I'm not gonna say
overbearing, and she's overprotective, and
I appreciate her overprotectiveness. Okay, I'd rather be overprotected than underprotected.
Hey, y'all hear that? Yes. All right. I should do this now, right? I should do this now. Probably should have did it before the wicks, actually.
Well,
so next time we do these,
now we know where not to put the.
Yeah, we're working out a system here, so we're learning that.
Next time we do these.
Yeah, next time we recycle jars.
With origins.
With the origins from the earth.
Earthly origins.
Earthy origins. Oh, that'd be a nice candle name. Earthy origin. We are going to know to put the stickers on the bottom of the candles first.
Make a candle that smells like dirt called Earthly Origin. They'd be like, wow, that's like really musky. I like it. It's got an atmosphere.
Okay, I messed this one up. Of course I would. But yeah, so we put the stickers on first, and then we go with the wick. Let me see. Is that Lang Lang?
Nope. It's the same stuff we had before.
Okay. That's more. It's stronger.
I think so. Yes.
Oh, hold on. Put it down. Let me grab it here. Woo. That smells good.
You can smell it though. It's
ooh,
nice
that smells like Bath and Body Works. Ooh, that's pretty. Y'all.
That is about a centimeter.
That's okay. Y'all see that? Ooh, y'all, it look like a glass of wine. Okay, let me stop moving it because it's already starting to. We're back. And I got my sweater on now. I had to go to the mailbox and get our labels. Okay, they're super tiny. These ones are super tiny. But these are for the super tiny candles. And these ones, you can actually see what they say, or can you? Let's see. Harmony Whisper. And you can't see what it says, but I'm going to read it. It says, when the world feels heavy, light this candle to remind yourself that brighter days are ahead. Love, Angee and Michaelah. So cool. I think these stickers are so cute. I'm ready to put some more now, but I'm going to wait. But they're square.
This is better.
Oh no, this is actually not transparent. It's white.
Yeah, that's what I thought it would be.
Oh.
That way you can actually read it. But, oh yeah, it's not going to be...
What?
Nothing. It should be fun.
Ah. It's giving very much like a clean look. Look. Look, you guys. Oh, you can't see it. Let's see. Okay, that looks so crazy. That's it. Yeah. Cute. I just had to do that. And I was going to get the transparent ones, but I realized that there was a huge price difference. Wrap things up. I am literally wrapping these things up and double wrapping them because I want to make sure that they arrive to their destination safely. And then next in the box it goes. Sure, we put our insert in there, really nice little message, and then I'm gonna tape these up. Off the FedEx we go. That's it, and we hope that our family enjoys the candles. We hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Until next time, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe.